Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CircleCI for iOS build status updates, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the CircleCI website. Once there, click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have a CircleCI account, log in with your credentials. If you're creating a new account, you can sign up with GitHub, Bitbucket, or email. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process if you're a new user. After logging in, you will see the CircleCI dashboard. Locate the project for which you want to receive build status updates. Click on the project name to open its details page. In the Project Settings menu, find the Webhooks section. Click on the Add Webhook button. In the webhook configuration, you'll need to enter the URL where you want to receive updates. Select the specific events for which you would like to receive notifications. Common events include successful builds, failed builds, and job cancellations. Once you have configured the webhook, click Save to store your settings. Next, navigate to the Notifications section in the Project Settings. Choose how you want to receive notifications, such as through email or Slack. To set up email notifications, enter your email address. For Slack integrations, follow the prompts to connect your Slack workspace. Once notifications are set up, click Save again. You can also test the webhook to ensure it is working correctly. Look for a Test Webhook button in the webhook settings. After sending a test notification, check your designated receiving platform for updates. If everything is set up correctly, you will receive notifications based on the events you specified. Now, let's review your notification preferences to make sure they meet your needs. Regularly monitor your settings to adjust for any changes in your notification preferences. You are now fully set up to receive build status updates from CircleCI for your iOS projects. With everything configured, you can focus on developing your app while staying informed on build statuses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.